Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On this video, I will be specifically talking about the price section of Cardano, what we can be potentially seeing here for the coming hours. So guys, if you're interested in Cardano, I should highly suggest already smashing up that like button and of course stick till the end of the video. So in this video, we're of course for sure going to discuss the uptrend that we have been seeing for the Cardano daily candles. As well, we will be going in towards the 4-hourly candles for Cardano, where we are seeing the price squeezing in towards an apex and maybe potentially of course towards this bigger symmetrical triangle. And this of course a thing that we'll be discussing. As well, guys, I still believe that we're going to see this potential rise of another 50% towards the upside on the Cardano compared to Ethereum pair here, since we have been seeing the falling wedge breaking out here, and since we have been trading above this critical level of previous resistance. As well, guys, I do believe that Cardano compared to Bitcoin is creating a beautiful continuation pattern here on the Cardano compared to Bitcoin chart. Guys, if you're interested in Cardano, I should highly suggest watching this video to the end, and let's go right away into the Cardano price action on the daily candle. So, guys, what are we right now having for Cardano? Cardano has been starting a beautiful uptrend here with, of course, a formation of higher lows of this upper sloping support line. As well, we have been creating a different supportive line here. What is a little bit more, of course, stealthier towards the upside. And that has been also showing us a lot of significance here on the daily candle. So, yeah, I do believe that Cardano is, of course, in a very healthy uptrend. And we have been seeing Cardano holding this line. Even though Bitcoin has been correcting so significantly, it is Cardano that is still trading on the same levels that it is literally trading on 40 days ago, where Bitcoin right now is trading on the levels that we were literally 100 days ago trading on. And, of course, literally 100 days ago, there was, of course, on January, we were trading around levels for Cardano around 30 cents here. So we're still holding up very strong here compared to Bitcoin. If we're comparing it to this recent drop-off. So that's, of course, one of the many reasons why I feel excited about Cardano. And one of the many reasons why I still will be feeling excited about it. Because we are, of course, holding very strong on to this daily upper sloping support line. So, yeah. Let me go right away to the video because, yeah, if we're talking about a bigger time frame, probably everyone who's right now watching here will agree with me that we can be seeing, of course, Cardano rising towards these, $4 towards $8 here in this coming bull run, in my opinion. Of course, we can even potentially go above the $8. And let me know in the comment section what your price prediction is here for Cardano by the end of the year. Guys, I think if we're going to go above the $8, I will be definitely dollar cost averaging out of the market a little bit here. That is, of course, a thing that we have to be discussing in maybe 6 months from here on. So, yeah, let me know in the comment section what your price prediction is for Cardano, and I will be definitely looking towards it for you guys. So, what are we seeing right now for the Cardano 4-hourly candles, guys? I've been setting up a real new chart over here, and on this chart, you can see there are multiple things playing out here. First of all, you can see the blue box of resistance on top side, providing us massive resistance along the way here. Then we have been creating a critical downward slope resistance line that we have been breaking through, and since then, of course, we increased in valuation. Then as well, upward sloping support line was creating over here, this green line over here, and this was, of course, providing support, and while we were trading below it, providing resistance, but right now, providing support once again here. And as well, guys, we have been forming a downward sloping resistance line here, providing support. Here, of course, resistance. So, yeah, we have multiple levels that we can be looking at right now here. And this is, of course, potentially pushing the price action of Cardano here in this apex. And this can be potentially lead towards a very beautiful breakout for the Cardano price action. But even though, if we're going to correct towards these lower targets, it will be unfortunate because we're not holding on to this supportive target over here. But we will be still trading in a bigger symmetrical triangle because we also are having this upward sloping support line over here. So, that's, of course, one of the many reasons why I do feel extremely excited about Cardano. The price action is coming towards an apex, and I personally do think here that we're at least going to see huge amounts of volatility getting created here within the coming 6 days here. And personally, I do anticipate that the prices are going to rise towards the upside. If we're looking for a breakout already on this specific breakout, we're going to see a rise towards approximately $1.68 here. What can be a surge of course, 6% towards the upside. If we're going to break below this line, of course, we're right away going to go towards the supportive target. But of course, if we're going to touch the lower side of this symmetrical triangle, guys, we will be forming, of course, a bigger symmetrical triangle. And this can be leading towards the $1.81 getting reached here. Or, of course, if we're going to see a breakdown, the $1.25. So, yeah, definitely two things that we can be seeing here. Personally, I do think if we're going to break down, it will be most likely not happening here. And even though if we're going to break down here, the daily support will be kicking in here and holding up the Cardano price. So, yeah, this is, of course, one of these charts that I do feel extremely excited about. And I want to be warning you guys that we can be, of course, seeing more upside potential for the price action of Cardano. And currently as well, I am in a minor Cardano position. And I will be definitely trading Cardano as well the way up here. So, yeah, if we're really going to see a breakout here, guys, I will be definitely keeping you guys up to date on what to do here because this will be a beautiful breakout trade that you can be taking. That even though if we're breaking out, guys, we as well have to be breaking through this $1.62 US dollar level, because you can see here, previous high getting created, previous support getting created, previous support, resistance, support as well via resistance. So this is, of course, a major level that we have to be breaking through. So even though if we're going to break out, guys, I do want to be seeing the volatility getting created above this candle, at least a 4-hourly candle above it, if we are, of course, going to break through it. So yeah, multiple things that we can be looking at right now, multiple things that we can be looking out for right now. But of course, it is giving us insane good opportunities here. So as well, a chart that I've been talking about several times here on the channel, guys, is of course the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation. And this is one of the most important charts for my opinion to look at if I'm really going to look at a chart and see, okay, this chart is giving me a buying opportunity, this chart is giving me a selling opportunity. Right now, of course, I do think that you want to be accumulating Cardano rather than selling it at this point, in my opinion, of course, no financial advice, but you can see over here, top side getting created here in 2018. Then we form a top over here in 2019 April, and then we form another top here on July 2020. And of course, literally, of course, we have been breaking through this level on the 21st of February. We broke through this level. We increased in valuation. We spiked down here, broke below it, and right now we're trading above it and finding support on this level. And of course, in the meantime, while we were falling below it, we were creating a falling wedge, what is a bullish pattern. And we have literally been spotting this one already at the early stages, guys, like you know if you're familiar with the channel. And make sure to smash up the likes, guys, if you're interested in more of these specific breakouts, things, etc. So make sure as well to ring the bell notification here if you're interested in it. I will be saying this one time here, but guys, you have the opportunity right now to smash it up. So yeah, this was of course an 88% bump here towards the upside. That was of course a very beautiful opportunity that we were getting here. And people are maybe still wondering, but Rover, why have we been not seeing the volatility getting created here? Because guys, this is of course a pattern that we have been creating on the daily candles. And usually once you're creating a pattern on the daily candles, it tends to take some time till we're going to see the price target getting reached here. So still, we have been starting an uptrend over here. We have been setting higher highs, higher lows as well, trading above this gray box of support, very critical. So yeah, personally, I still think that we're going to see this 50% rise from here on. It's going to be easily getting reached here. It's just a matter of time. Don't expect it's going to be tomorrow, but for sure, guys, the one thing that you can be doing here is just spot trading, just accumulate more Ethereum, more Cardano, because Cardano is definitely going to give you very good returns here in the coming run-up that we're going to see. And I definitely want to be having you guys on board on me as well. So yeah, I'm a huge bull on Cardano, and I will be definitely staying it for the rest of my life probably, because I like the project and I like what they're working on, and I like that it is going to give me very good returns. So yeah, as well, a thing that we have been seeing here is on the Cardano compared to Bitcoin chart, of course, also very important. You want to be looking what Cardano is behaving itself like compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, right now, of course, right now we have been, of course, increasing very significantly in valuation. You can see we spiked very quickly up here compared to Bitcoin, but right now it looks to be that we are forming some kind of a consolidation pattern, and we have been, of course, respecting this lower side of support very, very well here. And since holding on to this line here, I do feel extremely excited about this thing here, and I do think that we can be, of course, really look for higher targets rather than lower targets getting reached here. So yeah, personally want to be looking for higher targets, personally as well. Never think it's bad to buy on support, and as well looking to the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation, both giving me very good opportunities to accumulate some Cardano around these levels. So guys, yeah, I do feel extremely excited about it. I do think we can be seeing a breakout towards the upside, because this is a symmetrical triangle, guys. And if we are seeing a breakout, we tend to create follow through towards the direction that we created the pattern towards, because yeah, symmetrical triangles are continuation patterns. So yeah, if we're going to see this breakout, this will be another 26% increasement. And as well, with Bitcoin looking so strong, guys, and maybe you're not already a bull as me, because I personally believe in the long run of Bitcoin, and I personally believe that the market sentiment has been shifting, like we have been already calling since the 30K. We have been already saying to everyone on the 30K, make sure you're benefiting from it. But still, people are ignoring it, and I think altcoins are definitely here to, of course, go for another run up here. And of course, Cardano is definitely one of them. And once again, guys, you heard this first on the channel, and it is definitely not even close to be done here. We are just getting started here with crypto. So yeah, you can be definitely benefiting from the next run-ups that Cardano is going to make here as well, compared to Ethereum and compared to Bitcoin and in the US dollar valuation. So yeah, this was my quick video update video about Cardano, guys. Hopefully you're loving Cardano. Personally, I do think that Cardano is a huge sleeping giant here, sitting in the top 10 here, but still it has so much potential gains to be making here. So Guys, hopefully if you like this video, make sure to smash up the likes, of course. Let me know as well in the comment section what you think of Cardano, because I'm very interested what you guys right now think of it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will check you guys in the next one. Goodbye. And of course, if we're seeing an important movement in the price action here on Bitcoin or whatsoever, we'll be definitely keeping you guys up to date. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.